Yes, guys, welcome back to another episode on how to make him miss you. Without wasting much time, let's dive right in.
How to make him miss you. This one's gonna be a little bit difficult for some of you, but if you have a Snapchat, lose that Snapchat streak. I know it's difficult to hear, but when you lose it, you're basically telling him that you're no longer available.
That was just by the way. You are always on social media, but you want him to miss you. I got you. But before we start, make sure you go down to the comment section below and share your thoughts on what you think would make him miss you. First of all, my advice for you is to get off all social media platforms, being it Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Any social media platform, just get off of each and every social media platform. You can now try out new hobbies such as go hiking, try out new food recipes. Once you put social media to the side and try out new hobbies, he is definitely going to miss you. If this is the type of content you like, just click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button to be updated once I've uploaded. As usual, stay safe. Peace.